Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and today we have the Blon Prometheus, and we are also gonna compare it to other Blons here in this channel as well. So in the future I'm gonna compare it to other $100 IEMs, but today we're gonna compare it to other Blons just for a 1:1 comparison here. So of course the Blon Prometheus is kind of like a mixture of several Blons here, but of course it will be still up to your preference here. Yeah, this will be just to give you an idea on how this sounds like. Of course, which one is for you, let me know down in the comments below. Let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.